Hello guys, and welcome to Digital Income TV. My name is David and welcome to my Domain Pro review video. Alright, so if you are new here, what to do is we give you detailed and well-researched digital product review videos that can help you leverage your online business as an online entrepreneur. Alright, so if this sounds like what you're interested in, kindly smash that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell icon so whenever I post a new video here, you actually be the first to get notified and grab your bonuses on purchase, guys. So with all being said, let's get down straight into the business of the day. Alright guys, so here we are on the Domain Pro sales page. The Domain Pro was launched on the 28th of January 2023, and along the line it has had about 2,000 plus sales currently. Okay, so the reason for the massive sales currently is because this software is actually meeting the needs of the persons who are purchasing it currently. Alright, so before we proceed with this review, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 steps that we're actually going to take before you purchase the Domain Pro. Alright, so let's actually get down into the 5 steps right now. Alright guys, so here we are on my Google Docs right now. Okay, so here are the 5 steps that you need to know before we proceed with this video. Alright, so the first step right here is a $10,000 bonus from me. Alright, so you're actually going to be getting a $10,000 bonus from me immediately you purchase the Domain Pro using my link. Alright, so the link is actually going to be in the first link in the description of this video. Alright, so the second step right here is what Domain Pro is and how it works. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what the Domain Pro is and how it's actually going to help you. Alright, so the third step right here is the value you're actually going to get from Domain Pro. I'm going to be showing you guys all this in details, guys. Alright, so the fourth step right here is how to get it for the cheapest price possible plus the $10,000 bonuses. Okay, so I'm going to be explaining this as well. Alright, so the fifth step right here is my honest opinion on Domain Pro. Alright, so guys, with all this being said, let's actually get down to the other part of this video right now. Alright guys, so here we are on the first step of this video. Okay, so the first step is actually about the $10,000 bonus and what you will get. Alright, so the first thing you're actually going to get from me is the Franklin Hatchett course worth $300, and the title of this course is called the Savage Affiliate. Alright, so the second thing you're going to get from me is the Divney course worth $3,000, and the title of this course is called the YouTube Fly. Alright, so the third thing you're actually going to get from me is the Liam James Key course worth $5,000, and the title of this course is called the Master Natives, guys. Alright, so you'll be getting all these courses from me for absolutely free. Okay, so what is actually going to qualify you from getting these courses from me? Okay, so all you need to do is just purchase the Domain Pro using my link, and guys, immediately you actually make a purchase, all you need to do is, I'm going to be leaving my email right here on the screen right now. Just email me letting me know that you have actually made a purchase, and guys, immediately I actually see your mail, I'm going to respond back sending you all these courses for absolutely free, guys. You understand? So guys, without actually saying much, let's actually dive into the business of the day. Alright guys, so here we are on the second step of this video right now. Okay, so what is Domain Pro? Okay, Domain Pro is classified as the world's first technology to kickstart profitable domain and hosting business in order to register unlimited low price domains and hosting for you and your clients, guys. Alright, and the rosy part about Domain Pro is that it's starting at a low one-time price. Okay, so this is an opportunity to check it out right now, guys. Okay, so Domain Pro also lets you to launch your own self-updating domain and hosting registration portals like the popular GoDaddy and Namecheap that you all know. Alright, and it allows you to register limitless domains and hosting plans. Okay, another rosy part about this is that you can purchase domains and hostings at very low prices for yourself or your clients from your own portal and also earn affiliate commissions, guys. Alright, so this is how amazing the Domain Pro is. Alright, so this is an opportunity right now because this is starting at a low one-time price. Okay, so you can make the purchase right now before it actually goes into a monthly plan, guys. Alright, so let's actually head down to the Domain Pro benefits. Okay, alright guys, so the very first benefit that you're actually going to get from Domain Pro is this. Okay, the number one here is you can make passive income when someone buys domains and hosting using your affiliate links. Okay, the number two benefit here is you will never worry about paying huge amount of money monthly to top domain and hosting selling platforms, guys. Okay, so the third benefit right here is Domain Pro is 100% newbie friendly. Okay, and easy to use technology, guys. Alright, so the fourth benefit right here is you can easily add millions of domains from every TLD, which is .com, .net, .org, okay, and etc, guys. Okay, so the fifth benefit right here is you can monetize by adding your own affiliate links, sell your own products, or through ads, guys. Alright, so the sixth benefit right here is you can get a premium top-notch hosting without paying huge amount of money monthly. Alright, so the seventh benefit right here is it gives you the confidence to cancel your current domain subscription, okay, and save huge money yearly, guys. Alright, So the eighth benefit right here is Domain Pro is the world's first and only technology currently, okay, to start your own domain and hosting selling platform with no dependency on third parties and etc, guys. All right, so there are so much benefits that you can actually get from the Domain Pro immediately you make a purchase, guys. Okay, so the link to actually purchase the Domain Pro is going to be in the first link in the description of this video. Okay, so make sure to actually purchase the Domain Pro in order for you to have a double bonus, because you're actually going to be getting a $10,000 bonus from me when you make a purchase using my link, and as well you're also going to be getting a bonus from Domain Pro, guys. All right, guys, so let's head over to the Domain Pro pricing right now. Okay, so guys, the real value of Domain Pro is estimated at $99. All right, but currently there's a 80% bonus of the real price, and it may surprise you to know that there's a one-time price of $19.92, guys. All right, so this means that you'll be getting all of the packages listed above for just this little price, guys. Okay, so guys, I think this is rosy enough. I think this is actually an amazing deal. Okay, and guys, you have actually got nothing to lose because there's a 30-day money back guarantee. All right, so guys, my honest opinion about this is you can actually try this out, because this is actually what is working for a lot of persons right now. Okay, so it can also work for you, it can work for anyone. This is for anyone who actually has an ambition to becoming a full-time online entrepreneur. Okay, so this is the package for you guys. All right, so I'm going to be taking you guys right now down to the sales page so I can show you how you can make a purchase. All right, and I'm also going to be showing you reviews of some customers who has actually bought the Domain Pro, good testimonies that can actually motivate you to actually purchase this right now. Okay, so let's actually head down to it right now, guys. All right, guys, so here we are on the Domain Pro sales page. All right, so while you are here, you can also watch this video down here for more clarity. All right, so right now I'm going to show you how you can make a purchase, guys. All right, so let's actually scroll down right now. So over here that says click here to grab Domain Pro. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right now. So it's going to load up. It's going to take me over to the purchase page. All right, so as you can see over here, guys, here we are right now. As you can see, the price of the Domain Pro is actually at $19.94 right now. Okay, so you are actually going to save $79.6, all right, which is 80% off. All right, so guys, this is the pricing. All right, so I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be going back to the sales page right now, so I can show you guys some wonderful reviews of some wonderful customers who has actually purchased the Domain Pro. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you some wonderful reviews right now. All right, okay, so as you can see over here, Bob Sinclair, he said, I have to say that this is the opportunity of a lifetime. Now we can get our own domains without paying the big boys high prices and compulsory upsells that most of the time you don't really want. Okay, this is just what I'm looking for to add to my agency. All right, so as you can see over here, Roy Battle, okay, he says, awesome, this is just what I have been waiting for to go with my web design business for my clients and customers. Okay, so guys, if I actually keep scrolling down right now, there are a bunch of wonderful reviews right here, so guys, you can actually be a part of them. Okay, so this is an amazing package for you guys. All right, so guys, please, the only way to actually support us right here in this channel is by subscribing to our channel, and as well liking our videos, sharing our videos, and also you also need to turn on the bell icon so that whenever I actually post wonderful videos like this, you are also going to get notified, guys. All right, so guys, please don't actually forget, if you actually want to purchase the Domain Pro, what you need to do is go over to the first link in the description of this video so you can actually make a purchase using my link, guys. All right, so immediately you make a purchase, all you need to do is, I'm going to be leaving my email right here right now on the screen. Okay, what you need to do is contact me using my email, okay, letting me know that you have actually purchased the Domain Pro hosting. All right, then when you actually contact me, I'm going to send you the courses that I actually said I would send, guys. I'm going to send it down to your email immediately after I see your mail, guys. All right, so guys, thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Peace.